All right, so moving forward, okay. All right, so a webmaster has noticed that the number of registered users has been steadily increasing since beginning an advertising campaign before starting to advertise. He had 2,200 registered users, and after 4 months of advertising, he now has 5,480 registered users. Use this data to write a linear function that gives the total number of registered users given the number of months after starting to advertise. Use the function to predict the number of users 8 months into advertising campaign. Okay, so a webmaster has noticed that the number of registered users has been steadily increasing since beginning an advertising campaign. Okay, before starting to advertise, he had 2,200 registered users, and after 4 months of advertising, he now has 5,480 registered users. Okay, use this data to write a linear function that gives the total number of registered users given the number of months after starting to advertise. Okay, use the function to predict the number of users 8 months into the advertising campaign. Okay, so, all right, let's move forward with this equation. So we know that you had 2,200 registered users, okay, initially, right? And this number went up to 5,480. Okay, so first and foremost, we can figure out the increase in the number of registered users. Okay, to do this, okay, we have, okay, take an example over here. So we know that you had 2,200 and this number went up by 5,000 or went up to 5,480. So 5,480, okay, minus 2,200. Okay, divide by 4 months of advertising. So we know that this will be 5,480 minus 2,200. This is divide by 4, 820. So the number of users per month, okay, the increase in number of users per month is 820. So we know 820, okay, is what you need to come up with the equation or to come up with the solution for 8 months. Okay, so this will be, okay, let's say this is x. Okay, so 820, okay, plus, okay, you have registered users equals 820x. X stands for number of months. X equals number of months. Okay, so number of users will be 820 into 8 to figure out for 8 months. So 820 into 8, okay, plus 2,200. Okay, so number of users, this will be 820 into 8, okay, plus 2,200. Okay, total number of users will be 8,760. Okay, this will be total number of users. Okay, so that is basically your solution. Okay, so if you start off with 2,200 registered users for the advertising campaign, okay, and within a month you see an increase of 820 users, after 8 months you will have a total of 8,760 users. Okay, this is applicable to advertising for YouTube, for your web page, your website, blog, so on and so forth. Okay, so apart from that, this is Obey on behalf of V Electronics. Have yourself a great day.